Hi everyone, I'm back with another midnight thought, which I almost didn't record. It's about things that are abstract, and anything that's abstract in itself confuses one crowd and amuses the other. Confuses the one who try to logically describe it, try to bound it in definitions, but the amused ones just look at it. Because just seeing it itself is a beautiful thing on its own. The art of observing without analyzing. But again, that's the nature of our mind to analyze things it sees. We see a dream, we try to make something out of it, we note down patterns, try to draw our conclusions, make our own theories. Some find it nerdy, some find it interesting, and some just let it go. We all have our own ways of looking at things and defining them. And while that is what separates us, makes us unique, the fear of the uncertain, the fear of the unknown, or for some it could be fear, for some it could be the wonder, is what also keeps us in search of newer definitions. Because once it is in our books as theorems, as hypotheses, as a simple sentence, once it is there in the books, it is a finding, a concrete one, no longer disturbing our thoughts. Maybe it's fear, maybe it's curiosity, and this itself is a chapter which which was a thought in my head. And to make it flow better, I put this in my notes, tried to write it down better, and used a little bit of AI to make it grammatically correct. So here it goes. Some things are abstract by their very nature. To one crowd, they're confusing, to another, they're amusing. The first asks, what does it mean? The second simply watches. One tries to bind it within definitions, to give it a name, a purpose, a conclusion. The other finds that simply witnessing is enough. Perhaps that is the rarest art of all, to observe without immediately trying to understand, without trying to explain. Yet our minds are almost incapable of doing so. We see a dream and search for symbolism. We witness coincidence and invent theories. We encounter the unknown and rush to explain it. Some call that curiosity, some call it overthinking, some dismiss it as unnecessary. Others dedicate their entire lives to it. Every mind looks at the same mystery, yet every mind sees something different. This is what makes us unique. And perhaps beneath all those explanations, beneath every equation, every philosophy, and every story we have ever written, lies the same quiet discomfort, the unknown. Until it earns a definition, until it finds a place in a book, until it becomes a theorem, a law, a discovery, it continues to disturb us. Maybe we seek knowledge because we are curious, or maybe we are curious because uncertainty unsettles us. Fear and wonder, perhaps they were never opposites at all. Perhaps every discovery humanity has ever made is simply another attempt to make peace with the unknown. And maybe that itself is a chapter worth reading. Because why is it that we want to make peace with everything without quietly observing it, without getting entangled in anything and everything? And from that, we also get the art of detachment. I know, ideas all over the place, from being abstract to observing to perceiving to fear, wonder, discovery, and then ending it at detachment. But that's how human thoughts are, one chain after the other, one thread after the other. Some make sense out of it, some overthink it, some sleep over it, and some speak it like it's making total sense. Yeah, that was it. This is what I wanted to share. Like, share, and subscribe to qua.infinity.